guys, today we bring to you a review of an AU Falcon that has done quite a lot of kilometers and makes quite a lot of good sounds. Look at that big family rig. Alright, so what we have here is one of the cleanest AU Forte Series 3, 300,000 Ks in it, family car, two brothers in the family. It's their parents' old car, and they've done a couple mods to it. They're starting off the mods list, and they've given me a list. They've put a manual transmission in the door out of a T5 vehicle to a T5 thing. It's got custom Makita, what did they tell me? It was, oh yeah, Makita one-way coilovers, choppies. Come around here, she's on some FG Lux Pack 19-inch rims. Looks tidy. Now before we get under the bonnet, we've got some eBay parts. Now, not how I normally like to do things, but I tell you what, these guys have tried to stay on a minimalist budget. Yeah, they're a bit of handyman themselves. They're pretty sure they're both mechanics. And they are both mechanics. So they know what they're doing. So they did everything themselves. So if you're asking how do we do this, how cheap it is, well, I don't know, they did it all themselves. I'm gonna show you what they've done. So obviously from the outside, it has that just authentic stock AU look. But underneath, we have pretty much the biggest turbo you could possibly put on any vehicle. And it's at GT35. No, it's not, it's a GT45. It's all there. GT45 turbo, straight off eBay, with eBay piping, eBay intercooler. If you're asking me where this is from, they've put a BF top on it. eBay, this thing, throttle body relocator. They've actually put a BF ECU, throttle body and pedal. That's what they're running. Boys are quite handy with all this sort of stuff for the piping. So they've rigged that up. They've also moved, they've got rid of the bottle from there. Obviously turbo too big. And I asked the boys what kind of tune does it have, and they said it was tuned 10-15 minutes on the road by their mate. It is a lag monster, as you've probably seen or are about to see. You're gonna ask me what injectors. I've spoken to the boys. It's got 1000cc injectors, a 255 fuel pump, stock rail, dead stock engine. They've done nothing to this thing at all. Even the rocket cover gasket's currently leaking. That's how stock it is. Like I said, eBay piping, so a bunch of that. It actually is a lag monster, but it's kind of sick. So I feel like this thing on the highway is just like, you just kind of, just nicely on, and the noise is there, and it's just kind of nice. It's not a fast car, but it's still a cool car. So we're actually going to jump in and go for a bit of a rip. And oh yeah, another thing I need to mention, I've wrote on my special list here. It's got an AM wideband, so they can tune it as well. It's on the 85. Power wise, don't ask me, no one knows what power it has. Don't really matter. It's a good little fun rig. It is their family car, so I like it. It's just tidy. Like, even though it's just an AU, it's kind of sick because it's just so tidy. The boys have even gone to the details of, you know, just like stainless bolts, you know, on the grille, on the latch, just the little things, you know, along the guards, just nice little touches. So it's amazing what little things you can do to an engine bay and make it just look that much neater. And honestly, the boys have slapped this car together, but they've still pulled it off and it still looks quite neat. So a couple other things I need to add, because everyone's probably going to ask me, what manifold does it have? Well, Gumtree special $50 manifold T4 flange with whatever wastegate they had laying around. So you might be asking, why the heck did they put a turbo this big on? Well, he had it for his LS laying around and just didn't put it on, and it was a T4 flange, so was the manifold, so it all happened. And he doesn't mind it. Big lag monster, but it's still good. So I just wanted to personally express on how damn clean they've got this car. They've gone, like honestly, I think they've buffed it. A bit of paint is almost missing there, so they've buffed the crap out of it. This tip is bloody heck, mate. This thing is so clean and shiny. I honestly can't believe. They actually popped down a couple weeks prior and they showed me the car. And look, it was tidy. This honestly looks like a totally different car today. The headlight is just, oh my gosh, mate. Like, honestly, these guys' standards on how they do stuff is actually incredible. It's good to see. There's this thing inside, Hurst shifter, couple gauges down the bottom. Inside is just, might have to get them to clean my car because this thing is damn tidy. Like, I feel this car is more tidy than the drift car, and it's been painted recently.
I agree.
This thing, oh, I don't know if the video will do it justice,
it's
but
the cleanest oldest AU I've ever seen.
yeah,
mate.
we're damn impressed. This is a real tidy car. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. So just a reminder at the end of the video, thank you for making it this far. We've got the drift car on the hoist currently and about to put an engine into it. But we'll be taking out a bunch of merch. We're taking out obviously down the drift car, providing that it works right. And we're also taking the Mustang down. So those people who have paid for the Mustang hot laps, we'll be taking you as well. Just remember as well, it's only on the Saturday because I don't know what the Sunday schedule will look like. So if you want to grab some merch, we'll be having jumpers, shirts, stickers, and I think we have a couple hats left. So come support the track, come support us, check it out, great venue, awesome track to watch, and the battles should be real close. So that's what I'm that keen for. I'm so keen just to do some tough battles. Last time I took Archer, it was great, but I got a little bit left behind in AU stock power. So I'm keen to take the drift car out the last kind of time before it gets a proper tune. So hopefully I don't break this engine either, and it can actually live on to a proper tune. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you down in Coffs Harbour.